There are 5 features on this demo workbook that I've created that I want to show you. The first feature is the use of disconnected slices to control the series on the chart. So as I select a different slicer item, that particular series will update to reflect the selected value. The second feature is that the legend at the bottom of the chart updates to reflect the selected values. And the third feature is the interactive chart titles. You'll notice that as you click on these slices out here, the chart titles will update to reflect the selected values. There are some features such as it will select all categories or subcategories. If you select an individual category, it will come down and tell you which category that is. You can multi-select by using shift-click, and it correctly multi-selects. And in the case of the subcategory, because there's so many, if I multi-select more than 4, what happens is that it lists the first 4 and then tells you that there are multiple others that have been selected. The fourth feature is the ability to change the axis which each series appears upon. So when you have some values, total sales, total cost, then they work quite well on the same axis. But if I select total margin % on this second series, then it doesn't make sense and you need to change the axis, and that's where this hyperlink comes in. If you click the hyperlink, it moves the second series onto the second axis and also gives it an axis title. The reason I've used hyperlinks and not buttons is because hyperlinks will work when hosted on SharePoint, but buttons are not supported in SharePoint. And the last thing to point out is that as you change the items on these axes, the axis formatting is automatically updated. So when you select something with a dollar value, the axis is formatted appropriately, and when you select something with a percentage, the axis will change as a result.